Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video I'm going to be making this amazing peach cobbler. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post new videos. Now let's bake. Okay guys, here I have my peach halves and I'm slicing these, and these were the 750 ml. I'm not quite sure, but I will be sure to list all the measurements and the ingredients down in the description below. So guys, be sure to check that out, okay? So guys, in a skillet on medium to high heat, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna allow that to melt. Then I'm gonna add my peach slices along with 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now I'm gonna let my peach slices simmer for 1 minute, guys, no longer, because I don't want my peaches to be mushy. It's not quite good when it's good, but it just doesn't look right when it's mushy. So anyways, I'll also be adding my spices, which includes cinnamon, vanilla. You guys can go ahead and add nutmeg if you want. I'm not quite a fan of nutmeg, so yeah, I left that out. I'll also be adding 1/4 cup of raisin. I love raisin, but as I mentioned before, you guys can opt that out. It's an optional ingredient, so you guys don't have to add it if you don't want it. Guys, I also went ahead and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch just to thicken the mixture. So guys, in a Pyrex dish, I'm adding some caramel sauce. I made this a couple weeks ago and I had some left over, so I decided to save it for a rainy day. Now I love caramel sauce, whether it's drizzled over the peach cobbler or even cooked with it, guys. It just gives it this amazing caramelized flavor. It's just a distinctive flavor and you guys will absolutely love it. Now I'm just laying my peaches on that caramel sauce, just gently, laying it on there. Yeah. Okay guys, for the batter, I'm using 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and I'm just whisking that out. I'll also be using 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You guys can use granulated sugar if you have. And there seem to be some lump in our sugar. I'll also be using 1 large whole egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of oil. And I'm just whisking that out until it's smooth, just like that. It looks lumpy because the sugar is in there, guys, but don't mind it. It's gonna dissolve once it's in the oven. Now I'm just pouring that batter on our peach cobbler filling. Ooh, yeah. Now guys, this is just one of them dessert that is just so amazing, and ice cream, it really complements it. So go ahead and just, you know, purchase your vanilla ice cream. You know, if you decide to make this recipe, it goes really good with it, guys, so just don't leave it out. Okay, now we're gonna be baking this for 20 minutes on the temperature at 350 degrees. And there you have it, guys, our peach cobbler. It turns out so good, guys. It was so good. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.